Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. From NB side, there is a notification regarding 2021. As we already know, NEET MDS result got declared on 31st of December last year, and it has been more than 6 months since the result got declared, and we have been waiting for the counseling process. So this notice is not for the counseling process, but is for a kind of next step where they have released the result of NEET MDS 2021 for all India 50% quota seats of eligible candidates for admission to all India 50% quota postgraduate MDS courses. So you can see the result here. I will show you the result in the particular video, and before that, if you want to avail our paid services, you can call us to the number given in the description. We do provide the paid services for MDS, INI CET and NEET PG 2020. In the description you can find a Telegram group link and few links, very important links for NEET PG ebooks, and those will give you plenty of idea about the last year statistics, cutoff and tuition fee and some other information. So coming back to our topic, you can see the result here. And what is the meaning of result of NEET MDS for all India 50% quota? It's just kind of ranking, and they have decided their own cutoff. It's just a ranking because the candidates who have studied or passed their BDS from Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir are not eligible for all India 50% quota seats, irrespective of other who were nominated by Government of India. So if you remove those number of candidates who were from Jammu and Kashmir, so your rank which you could get in the result in the month of December 2020, your rank for all India 50% quota would be a little bit improved, and that's rank they have given for all India 50% quota and all India 50% quota category rank. You come under EWS category, OBC category, SC ST category, so they have given your category rank, and the cutoff for UR or EWS is 50 percentile, that is 259 marks. For OBC SC ST is 227, and fit for UR PWD is 243. So those candidates coming under particular category have got more marks than the cutoff marks, are eligible to appear for the counseling process for all India 50% quota, and their rank is given in the link that I will show you. And you will be able to download the individual scorecard for NEET MDS 2021 all India 50% quota seat. It will be available to download on the NB website by 30th of June. So you can go ahead and download it. And so let's go ahead and see the result. So you need to click here to view result. So basically once you click on the link, you get to this PDF, and it has National Board of Examination result of NEET MDS 2021 for all India 50% quota seat. So let's analyze it, what details it has. Roll number, for the first row you can see the candidates come under general category, so there is no all India 50% quota category rank. The candidates coming from OBC SC ST category or EWS category, only they will be having category rank. And NEET MDS 2021 rank was 135 for the particular candidate, and if you see all India 50% quota rank is 133, so it's improved by 2 rank. It means those two candidates are not eligible for all India 50% quota seats. They might be coming from Jammu and Kashmir or some due to some other region. So this is the result they have declared. It's not kind of separate result, so don't get confused. It's just kind of all India 50% quota ranking for all India 50% quota seat and your category rank, so you can know in well ahead, and that will help you in the counseling process. So they haven't officially announced the counseling procedure and the dates, but it's kind of like one step they have taken ahead towards the counseling process and all. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can let us your question in the question box, and we will get back to you. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.